I got a man now. I heard you a fan now.
Talk about a bomb as ready to wear unit, y'all. I'm obsessed. Like, I've been obsessed lately. So this is from HJ Weave Beauty. Came in a nice little simple white box like this. And oh my gosh. So I customized this unit. It's an already made unit. If I'm not mistaken, Brazilian straight, 22 inches. Just came in a plain old Ziploc bag with a hairnet, and that was that. But honey, talk about some ready to wear hair, a ready to wear unit right outside of the box. I mean, of course, you might plug apart or, you know, make some baby hairs or something. But actually, I think it's a 360 frontal, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it is. And they had like a pre-plucked hairline and some pre-plucked baby hairs and stuff like that. You can definitely go as far as customizing your own, making some more, making less, making them shorter, etc. So yeah, what I did was I basically just laid down these with the some mousse, not even Gorilla Snide, and then I plucked the part, and I went for a side part just because I kind of could have went for a middle part, but when I plucked it down the middle, or parted it down the middle, it was just like, it kept falling back over, so I was like, it's meant to be a side part. So I didn't pluck the part too wide or anything like that. I can always go back and tweak it some more. It's better to do less at first and then, you know, keep doing more or building on from that, rather than doing too much at once and then you can't fix it. So yeah. When I did this, I like put it all back and I was like, yo, that's not bad, you know? Like, if I had my edges out a little bit, or if I had the baby hairs down, I think that would be like a bomb ass ponytail unit, like, or a nice slick back, you know. I think Kim Kardashian did that once or twice, who knows. So yeah, come back down to earth. So yeah, I really don't have anything bad to say. The unit was folded in half, so I did go back through it with my flat iron, and that's pretty much all I did with this unit. Like, this is legit some bomb ass hair. Like, I'm up at what, 5 in the morning talking about this hair. But no, I really had to get a lot of content done. I mean, I could have stopped earlier and, you know, went to sleep, ate some cookies and milk, watched a good old movie. But no, I seriously just wanted to get this content done. And I was like, you know, I have a late class tomorrow, whatever, even though I have to be up early because my freaking rest of my couch is coming. So yeah, but I can always go back to sleep. So yeah, this hair is nice, soft, silky. I had no tangles when flat ironing. Like, I honestly, this is probably the best out of the box unit that I've tried on ever. I know I've had some other good hair, some other good units right out of the box, but this is like a really, really, really good straight unit. The density is like perfect. It's not too much. It's not too little. You know, they be trying to shortchange people. Not HJ Weave Beauty, but you know, some companies out there do try to shortchange, and it's not cute. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I legit just sat it on my head, and I'm about to take it off my head, and no, I'm about to do one more video with this unit, and then I'm going to do another video on styling or installing a unit. Then I'm taking my ass to bed. Okay. So thank you guys so much for joining. Just a quick little video for a ready to wear unit. I'm really trying to think if there's anything else I'm missing, but I don't think it is. This is just cute AF. So I might keep this for about a week too. I'm really done, y'all. Like, y'all can exit out this video. I'm really just doing dumb shit now.